Let's explore on how to cancel PayPal invoice or cancel PayPal payment request. Let's begin. Now the first thing we need to do is to log in using your credentials. And if this is your first time here, you might want to click on the sign up button. And from here, you can choose what type of account you wanted to create on PayPal, be it personal, you can do business, and all you're going to do is click on the next button. Follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, canceling an invoice or a payment request here in PayPal is a very straightforward process. Now, once you are logged in, all you're going to do is go to the activity tab right here. Typically, it will show all your recent transactions and invoices. Click on it. And from here, obviously, you can filter the recent transaction into the last 90 days or this month, this year, last year. You can customize and choose a date range. All right. Now from here, all I'm going to do is find the invoice you want to cancel in the list of transactions. Again, you can use the search or filter options to narrow down the results if needed. Now, once you have one here, click on the invoice to open it and view its details. And again, you can always look for an option to cancel or cancel invoice button or link, or click on it to proceed with the cancellation. As you can see, this is my invoice and I just wanted to cancel this now. You have an option to send or simply just discard all the transactions that's happening right now on your invoice right here. And once you cancel it, just go to the activity tab again, click on it, this one. And once it's been canceled, the invoice, you can search and you can actually see it. It's automatically populated down here. All right. And if by any chance you're having problems with canceling your payment request here or invoice here in PayPal, you might want to click on the Contact Us button. Once you've done that, just go here and find the recent associated issues. Say, for example, the cancellation has been completed, but you are still having problems on your account. And the option also down here is you can call the PayPal support. Just log in using your credentials and you would be able to speak live with a customer representative. And again, just tell them your situation, that you're having problems canceling a PayPal invoice or you're not moving forward. Whatever you click, it's not progressing and you can cancel the payment request on your account. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.